Hello students, welcome to Dr. Soros's classes, and in this video I am solving the Economics Honors major paper. Here are the specific topics: Microeconomics I 2023 previous year paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate, please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Soros himself reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. So already all you all know that Dr. Soros class is the best coaching institution for any type of economics related entrance examination. And if you want to take classes from our side, this is the best time. Why? Now we are provide the maximum discount for this course. So don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Soros's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Saurabh sir. So let's start with question number 1H. What will say question number 1H? So what is the production feasibility possibility frontier? So that is also known as production possibility curve. That means PPC. So that is a graphical representation that shows the maximum possible combinations of two goods or services that an economy can produce given its resource and technology. Okay. So what are the key concepts here? First concept is scarcity and trade-offs. Scarcity and trade-offs. So the PPF, that means production possibility frontier, that is illustrate the concept of scarcity, which forces an economic to make choices about how to allocate limited resource. And every point of ppm represents the trade-off, that showing that producing more of one good requires scarcifying the production of another good. And second point is that what is the efficient production? So points on PPF curve that represents efficient production levels where all resources are fully utilized. And points inside the curve indicate inefficient production where resources are underutilized. Okay. And now I'm talking about the point outside the curve are unattainable also. Unattainable with current resource and technology. Also. And what will be the opportunity cost? So the slope of PPF represent the opportunity cost. The slope of PPF represent the opportunity cost and of producing one good in terms of the other. For example, if you move from one point on the PPF to another, the opportunity cost, the amount of one good that must be sacrificed to produce more of the other good. Okay. And what will be the shape of the PPF? The PPF typically bored outer, that means concave, due to law of increasing opportunity cost. This means that is a production of one good increases the opportunity cost producing additional units. That goods also increases because resources are not perfectly adaptable for producing both goods. Okay. And if the PPF is a straight line, it indicates the constant opportunity cost. Constant opportunity cost. And that meaning that resources are equally suited to producing both goods also. Let's take an example for that. Consider an economy that produces only two goods, guns and butter. Okay. So the PPF will show the difference combination of guns and butter that can be produced with available resources. If all resources are dedicated to producing guns, then the economic will be at one extreme point of the PPF. Extreme point of the PPF. And if all resources are produced butter, then it will be the other extreme. It will be the other extreme. So it will be the other extreme. So the points along the curve show the different combination of guns and butter that can produce efficiently. So shift, now I am talking about the shifts in the PPF. The PPF can shift outer shifts. That shift outer, that means indicating the economic growth. And if there is an improvement in technology or an increase in resources. Conversely, the PPF can shift inward. There is a decrease in available resources or a decline in technology also. So that's all about that. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and your family and stay connected with us. To get notification of all our videos, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. So that's all. We'll meet you in next session. Thank you.